Milan, a city where every street feels like a story and every corner whispers history. Known as Italy's fashion capital, Milan is more than glamour, it's a heartbeat of culture, art and timeless beauty. Today, let me take you on a journey through this unforgettable city. We begin at the soul of Milan, the Duomo di Milano, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, rising proudly with its 135 spires and over 3,000 statues. It took nearly 6 centuries to complete, and standing before it, you can feel the devotion of generations carved into stone. Climbing to the rooftop, the city unfolds beneath you. The view is breathtaking, the land stretching endlessly, where the old and new stand side by side. Here, you don't just see the city, you feel its spirit. Just steps away lies the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, to a palace of elegance. Built in the 19th century, it's not just a shopping arcade, but a temple of light, glass, and beauty. Walking through its grand arches, you sense Milan's charm, luxury, tradition, and life flowing together. And there, on the mosaic floor, lies the bull. They say if you spin on its heel, good luck will follow. A little Milanese magic hidden in plain sight. But Milan's beauty isn't only in its streets, it lives in its art. Here, Leonardo da Vinci painted one of the greatest masterpieces of all time, The Last Supper. More than a painting, it's a moment frozen in eternity. Milan's artistic soul continues to inspire. From grand museums to modern design that shapes the world, Milan is a city of contrasts. Trams roll past ancient walls, while sleek skyscrapers shine in Porto Nuovo, and then there are the navigli, canals once built for trade. Now alive with cafes, music, and laughter. Milan has mastered the balance between tradition and innovation. Where yesterday and tomorrow live in harmony. And of course, no journey is complete without taste. In Milan, food is more than a meal, it's an emotion. From creamy risotto alla Milanese to the ritual of espresso and the joy of aperitivo at sunset. Every flavor tells the story of this city's heart. Milan is not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. A city of art, fashion, history, and dreams. A city that stays with you long after you've left its streets.
然后你说真的，国内买一件差多少钱也根本不行。
Thank you for joining me on this journey through Milan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories and hidden gems from around the world. Until we meet again in the next adventure.